Hey guys, it's Jake here with eTrailer. Today we're going to talk about storing your boat battery for the winter. Now, storing your boat battery for the winter is going to be most important to ensure the safety of your battery so that you have it to be able to start your boat when springtime comes. The first thing that you want to do is you want to make sure that your battery is fully charged before you decide to store it in any way. A flooded battery will freeze if it doesn't have enough of a charge. Even a charged battery, if you get into sub-zero temperatures, could still freeze a little bit, but it's less likely because the electrons inside the battery are moving around. So you want to be sure that your battery is fully charged before you store it. The next step is going to be to disconnect your battery. Even though all of your stuff in your boat may be turned off, your cables are still going to have a slight draw, and over the course of that winter, it could drain your battery. The next step we recommend is you take the battery out of your boat and store it in a climate-controlled area. This is going to ensure that your battery is at an optimal temperature over the course of the winter. If your battery is fully charged, again, it can still drain over time. So having it in that nice warm area is not going to allow that to happen. And the last step, if you want to go one step further, is going to be to add a trickle charger to your battery. We still recommend taking it inside your house or in your basement somewhere, but throwing a trickle charger on it is going to help to maintain that battery so that it's fully charged for you when springtime comes. If you do not have anywhere to store your battery, say inside, or if you have your boat at a marina, you can still put a trickle charger on your battery, disconnect all the wires from your boat, and then put the trickle charger on it. That is still the best case scenario if you don't have anywhere to store it. Well guys, hopefully these tips are able to help you keep your battery safe for when boating season starts again. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comments below, and we'll see you next time.